Oh, let's see. Coming at you with my last video of the month for the hashtag Spring Around 22 that is hosted by Priscilla at Release the Craftin'. And today is, my prompt is bees. So the one thing that I really wanted to do is to make some sort of honeycomb type type project. I didn't know exactly what, but this morning I was just kind of looking around in my stash here and I found from Miss Shayna, she gave me these a long time ago in this cute, this really cute book that she made me, and it's full of die cuts. And it's fabulous. As you can see, I've used quite a few of those. But a bunch of these like page markers, and I haven't used very many of those. And I said, well, gosh, I wonder what's in there that I could use. And I found these, and I don't know if you could tell, but they're scored slightly right in the middle so that you could fold them. I'm not doing a very good job, but anyway, you could fold them and that would be your page marker. You get the idea, I hope. There. And I thought, well, those are cute, but I want them when they're just nice and whole. They kind of look like the honeycomb pieces, I think. So I've got scissors, glue, I've got some more little die cuts that I found in that book. Maybe we'll incorporate them. I've got some stickers. I've got some flowers. I've got some textiles. Got a whole bunch here. We're just going to make us a little tag. So quite a while ago, I realized that I had an abundance of the 6x6 paper pads. And I wasn't going to use all of them ever. So I went through and I cut them all into 3" by 6" tags. It was a good way to, you know, spend the afternoon. So we're just going to start building our honeycomb on this. If you don't have, of course, if you don't have these, you can cut 4-sided squares and then just very carefully make them into a, I think it's a hexagon shape, wouldn't it be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, hexagon shape, which I was prepared to do until I found these. So we're gonna just go ahead and use these. Let's do a little. And my idea is that I'm probably gonna go off like so, but then I will trim. Yeah, I think that's how we're going to do that. Looking cute. All right. So let's do some quick inking. I'm going to try to make this one as fast as possible. We don't want to spend all day watching a video here. I've had a lot of fun getting back into making ephemera. I have a big project. Will I ever? I hope so, because I think it'll be really cool. I need to really just make myself get back into the whole sitting down and creating process. Let's see. Let's go with this one first. Yeah, we'll go with this one. So we're just going to glue these on. I was just so thrilled when I found these because I feel like it's going to save tons of time. And if some of this gets on my pad, that's okay. So cute. We'll just do this and then we'll cut when we're done. Oops, that's not the right way. Yep, there is a right way and a wrong way. Look at that. Ta-da! Good thing I didn't cut it yet. Okay, real quick. I like the different patterns here. I think that's really cool. And since she was so nice and she die cut them, they all fit together so nice. And got a little hot mess going there. Oh well. All right, so I've been seeing some really cute things that people have been making for this challenge, and I've been trying to put some up on my Instagram stories. But some of the things, especially for like the rain and the umbrella, stuff like that. Oh, so cute. Let's just put one here just because we can. There we go. So again, I'm using these because that is what I had on hand. If you wanted a solid color, either for the background or for this, go for it, you know? All right, I think that'll work. We don't need to fill up all the tag. That will be just like our little centerpiece happening there. All right, so cute so far. So let's see. Let's do some flowers. That looks kind of large for what I want. That does too. These look kind of big. I don't really think this one matches the tone that we want though. Okay. Oh, this one might. Have no fear. There we go. That one looks good. I like that one. Let's see if I get into it. And one of the things that I'm also using is this really cool, it's the antiquarian sticker book. This is, oh, it's so cool. It's got some of the coolest things in it ever. And I don't use it enough, and I really need to. So we're going to use some of the bees that I found in that book today as well. So let's put our fun little sticker on there. And I also want to add a little bit of texture with some of these cute little die cuts that Miss Shayna was so nice to share with me. Super cute. I'm just putting these wherever I think they'll look good. There's no rhyme or reason to anything that I'm doing here. I still want you to be able to kind of see the honeycomb, though, is the only thing that I'm worried about. Put a couple of these cute little leaves down here. Let's see. Let's tuck that one in. There we go. Cute. All right, so far, so good. All right, let's get one of these. Let's see. These cute little bee stickers. Is it gonna be too big? This big one here. I don't think so. But if we use the other ones, we could fit 2 on there. Let's do that. I know there's some in here somewhere. There they are. Look how cute. I should have inked around that a little bit. And let's see, I know there's another one in this book. This book has the coolest things in it. Oh, I just love it. There's another one. And I definitely need to use it more. Let's junk it up just a little bit. Just a little. All right, this is looking cute. So I've got some texture, I've got lots of layers. Looking cute. And the back, of course, I just left plain. So let's see here. Do we want... Do we want something else on there? That's kind of cute. You know, I think I like that. It adds just a little bit of depth. I need to find a brad. This could take a hot minute. I still... oh, there we go. I still don't have my craft room set up completely the way that I want to. But it's getting there. Ooh, how about purple? Or blue. We'll do blue. All right. Pop those in there. Maybe. Okay, and I need to make just a teeny tiny... Got my craft mat down, so I don't mind doing this. Making a little tiny slit here for the brad. There we go. Come on. There we go. Super cute. Well, if I could get it to work. Anyway, there we go. Cute. All right, and then let's add a really cute, let's add some cute little textiles up there. There's some pink. I got this whole beautiful bag from Crafty Lore. She is fabulous. I am lucky enough to own one of her journals, and oh, it's stunning. The care that she puts into her work is amazing. Just amazing. I'm really glad that I found her. And let's do this too, because why not? So we got this. Let's do a double layer of this. That might be too long, but that's okay. Okay. Let's put all these through this little hole here. And, oops. All right. Let's tie her up. This is so cute. Lots of springy colors, yet it's still a little, oh, I don't know, vintage looking, I guess you could say. Oh my gosh, get back on there. This brad does not want to work. Well, don't you just love it when you go to watch a video and it's just nothing but me playing with a brad that won't open? That's just so much fun, isn't it? There. Good Lord. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. Quick and easy. Look at that. So yeah, use whatever you have. Make a cute little tag. Look at that. I just love that. You can still see the honeycomb behind it, but it's got lots of texture and depth. I love it. All right, there we go. That's the last one of my prompts for the challenge this year. So, which one was it? Oh, the duck one was really a rough one for me. But that's okay. That's what challenge means, right? All right. So I hope everyone has a great weekend, because this will come out on Friday. So I hope everyone has a really good weekend and enjoy yourselves. Enjoy Easter. Enjoy making some more ephemera for the challenge. And we will see you really soon. Thank you so much for watching. I've gotten some new subscribers this month. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you all. And okay, that's it for me. I'm going to go. Bye.